And we know fall is here and it can impact your home if you're living with bad windows and patio doors. You'd probably want to get the project done before the cold winter months set in. David Reber, General Manager at Renewal by Andersen of Kansas City, explains what makes their windows and patio doors unique. There are many distinctive things about your window, including how they look. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, many people who are considering replacing their windows don't realize that there's an alternative to the typical inferior white vinyl window that you see out there. Our windows are made of our beautiful composite material called Fibrex. It has the elegant look and feel of a finely crafted wood window, but you won't have the maintenance of a wood window. And unlike vinyl, which can bend, warp, and crack in the heat and cold, our windows are so strong that we're able to build them in 9 exterior colors.
Yeah, wood window frames here in the Midwest, they do not look good after some time, which brings us to our next point. Windows on the shelves of big box stores are stock size windows, and your windows are custom built. So what's the difference between the two?
The stock size windows are windows that are close to the size of your window that you're replacing, but may not be the exact size. If it's too small, there can be sizable gaps that need to be filled, which can lead to drafts, leaks, and energy loss. And if the windows are too big, you may have to alter your home to make it fit. Because our windows are custom built, your specific openings, they fit your home perfectly. We measure and build our windows to ensure the tightest fit possible, and this tight fit is what helps prevent leaks and drafts.
And why does your company not provide price quotes over the phone?
Well, some window companies may provide a price over the phone or in an advertisement, but you should be wary of those prices. Without visiting your home, those companies are just giving you a ballpark price. We think it's unethical to provide a price quote without first assessing your current walls, windows, and trim, and having you choose the style and design that you want. That's one reason why we offer our free in-home or virtual appointment. It's so important. We do such a thorough evaluation during our window and patio door diagnosis that we're able to provide an accurate price up front.
And David, while we're talking about pricing, some people may be worried that new replacement windows and doors, they just might not be in the budget this year. What types of financing do you offer?
Well, we don't just show you the many features and benefits of our windows and doors and then leave you to figure out how to pay for them. We have a lot of financing options available to our customers, including low monthly payments. A lot of our customers could pay for their windows, but our financing is so great, they choose to finance their project instead. We want to make sure this project is as easy as possible for you. So we really work with you to help you get the windows and patio doors you want, all at a price you can feel good about.
And finally, why is fall a great time to replace your windows?
A lot of people think they can replace their windows during the spring and summer months. But the weather this time of the year can be ideal for replacing windows and patio doors. It's not too hot, it's not too cold outside. And maybe you're thinking back to some of the problems you had last winter, like drafts, condensation between the panes of glass, and you don't want to deal with them anymore. Give us a call. We'll help ensure that you have a warm, energy-efficient home this winter.
Truly the perfect time of year. Thanks for your time this morning, David.
Thanks, Belinda.
Renewal by Andersen offers free in-home appointments, or for your peace of mind, you can schedule a virtual appointment and receive an exact price quote from the comfort and safety of your home. Right now, Renewal by Andersen has a special limited time deal. Buy one window or patio door and get 40% off of your next one with 0% interest for 48 months. That's now through the month of October. Renewal by Andersen of Kansas City will donate a portion of their sales to the American Cancer Society as part of their United Against Cancer fundraising campaign. Call 913-228-3311 now to schedule your free appointment